Hey, what's up guys, and in this class we will see how to set up our WooCommerce. Click on home over here inside of the WooCommerce, and then you will see this welcome page. Welcome to WooCommerce. Over here you have to set the name, this address, and the region and the city and the postcode of your WooCommerce store, wherever your WooCommerce store is located. So basically when product will be delivered to the customer, these are the details which will be shown to that customer, that this is the location from where your parcel came from. Okay, so fill out all these details. Click on I am setting up the store for client if you are setting the client for someone else, if you are a web developer. But if you are doing this for yourself, then don't click on this. Okay, so if suppose I'm clicking on this, then that means I am setting up the store for my client. So since I'm a web developer, I will clicking on this, I will fill out all these details, and I will click on the continue. Okay, so next you will get this option, which is in which industry does the store operate. So if you are building this website for fashion and apparels, health, beauty, electronics, so these are some of the options which are given. If you are building a clothing WooCommerce store, then click on this. And if you are selling the healthy or the beauty products, then click on this. If you are selling the electronics products, if you are making website for selling the electronics products, then this is the option. Then this is for other option if people are smart enough to know this. Then click on this button over here. Okay, so next is what type of products will be listed on your website. Okay, so whether you are selling the physical products like tables, then the televisions, t-shirts, shirts, pants, so these are basically the physical products. Then we have the downloadable products, like if you're selling the softwares like antiviruses, then the editing softwares or PDFs. Okay, so these are some of the downloadable products. So if you're selling those kind of products, then click on this. If your website is for subscription or membership, if you don't understand something, then click on this button. It will give you the option. So this when it comes to the subscription, it says that the customer subscribes to your products or services, and uh, your customer will be paying you on the weekly, monthly, or the annual basis. Okay, so this is it. Then membership, you can give the membership to your customers to access the content or the products for free or for fees. Your customer will be paying you some fees. Then this is for booking. This is like taking an appointment if you are building a website for doctor and all, and if it involves taking the appointment, then click on this. Then these are some of the other options like the customizable products, like the wrapping, messaging, etc, etc. But our website is basically for physical products and the downloadable products. So these are two options which I'm selecting, and after that click on continue. And these are some of the basic options which they will ask how many products do you wish to display. You can select whatever based upon your condition of your website. Then currently selling elsewhere, if suppose you are currently selling the products on some another platform and all, then you can select this. I will say no, and this is not required. Okay, so if you want, you can just enable this to store with the Google Ads, and I don't want these options as of now. I will say continue, and it will give you some themes, suggestion of some themes over here. If you want, you can just go with these themes, but as of now we are having the best option, which is Ocean WP. So I will say continue with my active theme. This is not required, so just say no thanks, and it will say welcome to WooCommerce. Just click on next. Let's go. Okay, so now our this is how the dashboard of WooCommerce would look. This is the home page. Then is orders. So basically whenever any customer will come to your website, and whenever they will place an order, you will get those orders over here. You will be able to see those options over here. Okay, and next is customers. How many customers have ordered your products, and how many have subscribed to your website. Everything will be shown over here in a form of this Excel sheet. Then we have the coupons, the number of the coupons which are created by you. If you want to give some discount coupons to your customers and all, then you will be able to create those coupons from this place. I will show you how to do that. But next we have this reports. So over here you will get all the reports on the monthly basis, yearly basis, and last month, this month, etc, etc, like how many sales you have done, how many people have ordered your products, etc, etc. And this is the setting From here you can, okay, so from here you can change your option and all. Okay, so this is the general option from where you can change the address of your uh, store and everything. I won't be showing you my address and all these things. And next we have this product settings. So this is the shop page. Okay, so whenever you create the products in the WooCommerce, or where you want to show those products, you have to select the shop page. So currently my pre-selected page is this shop page. Let it be that way only. You can, if you want, you can change it to somewhere, to some other page, but from my point of view you shouldn't be doing that. Let this be shop page only. And add to the cart behavior, enable the ajax add to cart button on the archives, and let this option be selected. Then the placeholder image, if you don't understand something, then click on this question mark. This is the attached id or the image url used for placeholder image. This is not required. Then the weight unit, when it comes to the selling products like the t-shirts or any other physical products, so how you want to weight those products, you have to select an option whether in the kgs, grams, then the lbs or oz. Okay, and the dimensions, if you want to measure dimension in terms of the centimeters, meters, inches, yards, meters, these millimeters, etc, etc, you can select the dimensions over here. And whenever you are selling products on your website, sometimes you must have seen the reviews on your products. Okay, so if you want to enable the reviews, then you can click on this. That means whenever any customer is purchasing your product, then if that person likes or dislikes your products, then that person will come and give the review about it on your website. If you want to enable the reviews, then click on this. If you don't want reviews on your products, then just disable this option. Okay, so if you want the reviews, click on this enable the review option. Then there's some of the options which you can enable. This is regarding the product review. Okay, so enable the star rating on the reviews. You must have seen ratings based upon the stars, like the 5 stars, 4 stars. So this is how you can enable those star ratings. And the star rating should be required or not optional, then you can just select that also. And review can only be left by the verified owners. So if you verify someone, then only those people can write a review. Then you can select this option, or show the verified owner label on the customer review. Okay, so if you want to show the label, so if you verify a customer, then if that customer is giving the review, then this verified owner label will be shown on the name of that particular person, or on the image of that particular person. Okay, so this is all about the reviews. And next is shipping. Click on this, click on leave. So whenever you make any changes, click on the save changes option down below. So this is the shipping option what we have. So from this place you can add the shipping zones. Just click on this add shipping zone, and you can select whatever name that you want. So first of all I will say India, and select the region. Okay, you can select whatever region that you want. So I will say Goa, then I will say Punjab, Punjab option is not coming. Then you can say Delhi. Let's see, Delhi option is available. Okay, so in whichever zone you are selling your products, you just have to select those zones over here. Okay, so if I'm just shipping in India, then I will say India, and I will select all the states what are present over here. And next is a shipping method. You can add the shipping method over here. Click on add shipping method. Like this is basically the tax method, which is a free shipping, then the local pickup or the flat rates. If you are just locally selling the products in your locality, then you can just click on this local pickups. Or if you're shipping for free, then you can just select this option, and you can say add shipping method, and that shipping method will be added. If you want to edit this over again, then click on this edit option, and you can select whatever option that you want. And now these are some of the these options for free shipping. So if there are any free shipping requirements, if you are giving some requirements like if these conditions are satisfied, then only you will get the free shipping, then you can just enable it. If there are no requirements, then you can say NA. Or if you want to give some conditions like a valid free shipping coupon, if you are having a free shipping coupon, then only you will get a free shipping, then you can just select this option. And I will show you how to create these coupons in the future classes. Then this is a minimum order amount. If suppose if you are having whatever items that you are purchasing, if the minimum amount is 500, greater than the 500, then only you will get a free shipping. Then you can select this option, and you can just enter that minimum order amount like 500 rupees or something like that. Or if you want your customers to apply the discount coupon, then you can select this option. That means apply the minimum order rule before the coupon discount. You can just enable this. And next option, we have this minimum order or the coupon. If either of this condition is satisfied, then a person can get the free shipping. If suppose minimum amount is greater than 500, or if the person is applying some coupon like the free shipping or something like that, then that person will get the free shipping. And you can even give this condition like the minimum order amount and the coupon. That means minimum amount should be greater than 500, and that person should also make use of the coupon, then only that person will get a free shipping. Then this condition you can apply. Okay, so if you are applying this condition of or, that means either this condition have to be satisfied or this condition have to be satisfied. That means the customer should have a coupon, or the customer could have a total purchase of greater than 500, whatever amount that you enter over here. Okay, so these are some of the conditions for free shipping. Once you apply those changes, you can say save changes over here. Okay, so next option we have is shipping class. Then just click on this shipping class. So basically there are no classes present over here. You can do one thing, click on this add shipping class over here, and you can make the shipping classes over here like the GST and everything. And let me just do that. I will say GST, I will say save shipping class, and you can say edit if you want to edit this. And now suppose I am now once I have made this class, I will go to the shipping zone over again. And now this is this zone which was created by me. I will say edit. And now if I'm just clicking on this edit option over here, and where is that option? Not over here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I will create one more zone. Let me see whether it is possible or not. Zone. Okay, so over here it was supposed to showing me the method, and as of now I'm not able to access it. I don't know for what reason.